In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the affiliate portal in Gohighlevel. To get started, open Gohighlevel and sign into your account so you can access the main dashboard. Once you're inside, you'll want to focus on the navigation menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where Gohighlevel keeps the main sections of your account. So if you're ever looking for a specific area, this sidebar is usually the best place to begin. From that left side menu, look for the option labeled Affiliate Portal and click on it. This will take you directly into the affiliate area of your Gohighlevel account. If you're not familiar with this section yet, this portal is where you can manage and review information related to the affiliate program in one place. After the portal opens, you'll land on the dashboard area. From here, one of the first things you can do is read through the affiliate program terms. This is an important section because it explains how the program works, what the requirements are, and what to expect as a participant. If you're new to the affiliate side of Gohighlevel, it's a good idea to take a moment to review these details carefully so you understand the guidelines before moving forward. You can also use the portal to view promoter reports. This area helps you keep track of your affiliate activity and gives you a clearer picture of your performance. If you're monitoring referrals or checking overall progress, this section is especially useful. Next, you can go to payment details. This is where you'll typically find the information related to how your affiliate payments are set up. If you need to confirm that your payment information is in place or review what's on file, this is the section you'll want to open. From there, you can move into payment history. This area allows you to review past payments, which can be helpful if you want to verify what has already been paid out. It's a useful section for keeping your records organized and understanding your payout timeline. Finally, you can check invoice history. This gives you access to invoice-related records connected to your affiliate account. If you need to look back at previous invoices for tracking or documentation purposes, this is where to find them. That's it. Once you know where the affiliate portal is located in the left-hand menu, it becomes much easier to access your terms, reports, payment details, payment history, and invoice history whenever you need them.